with Hey guys, I'm back with tip number 3. Come, let's get started. In your laptop or a PC, you'll be having this taskbar wherein you had many icons over here. Now you need to open all these icons or shortcuts, whatever you call. Now, if I want to open these shortcuts with mouse, it is very simple. But today I'll be showing you how to open these shortcuts without using mouse. See, after this office button, I had many icons over here, many shortcuts over here. If I want to open this calculator, you'll be finding this calculator here. This calculator is in the fourth position to my start button. So what I will do is, see, I'm not moving my mouse. What I'll do is Windows plus, since calculator is the fourth one, I'll press 4. My calculator is open. If I want to open Chrome shortcut is the third item after the office button. So I'll press Windows key plus 3. See, my Chrome is open now. Hope this is useful tip to you. Likewise, you can open n number of shortcuts on your taskbar. This is helpful to you and it will save your time. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.